Hi, this is Chief Meteorologist Matthew Hugo here at UKWF for the latest Farming Forum weather forecast, and starting with a quick look at satellite imagery just to highlight a few features of interest. And the unsettled conditions of the last few days are now beginning to clear away, generally to the east and northeast of the UK. Clearly it was a wet day yesterday across parts of Scotland and northern England, but that wet weather in association with an area of low pressure is now clearing the way to the northeast. And as you can see across the UK, there is a lot of cloud-free skies. There are a few isolated showers, but generally it is a fine and dry day. This region of cloud here is associated with a weather front which will move into parts of western Scotland and Ireland later on today and overnight into Friday. And this region of cloud here is in association with Hurricane Joaquin, which may well have influenced the weather and has been a troublesome feature in terms of the forecast for the last few days. But confidence is now high for the remnants of this feature to essentially dive away to the south and southeast of the UK in towards the Bay of Biscay and Iberia in the coming few days, and essentially not influence the UK's weather at all. Let's start by taking a look at some forecast weather charts now, starting with the bigger picture and obviously looking at the UK and Europe here. And here we are on Thursday the 8th at around about midday. And a region of high pressure building into the UK today is the reason for the generally increasingly improving conditions through the rest of the week. And of some significance and importance now is that overall high pressure is now forecast to remain quite an influential figure of the weather throughout the course of the coming weekend, but now also well into next week. And by the time we get to around about the middle of the afternoon on Sunday the 11th, an area of high pressure here to the east and northeast of the UK is then forecast to combine with a developing area of low high pressure to the west and southwest of the UK to essentially then lead to yet further fine and settled conditions as we progress into next week. So by the time we get to the Tuesday the 13th and on into Wednesday the 14th of September, you can see that an area of high pressure is quite dominant across the British Isles and northwest areas of Europe in general. So it now looks as though we're going to be looking at quite a sustained spell of fine and dry weather throughout the next 5 to 7 days or so. There are signs that beyond the middle of October a change to more unsettled conditions may develop, but for the time being, again, within the next 5 to 7 days, essentially the reliable time frame in terms of forecasting, then high pressure and fine and settled conditions are likely. So let's zoom in and take a look at the UK in a little bit more detail over the next couple of days. And as indicated, high pressure continuing to build now across the UK to lead to a fine and settled day today with bright or sunny spells. And it will be pleasant enough in the afternoon sunshine, but temperatures quickly dropping away this evening underneath clear skies. And for most areas of the UK, it will be a dry night with some clear spells and again further mist, fog and possible ground frost as we start Friday the 9th at around about 6 AM. The region of cloud on satellite imagery, which I indicated was a weather front, this is this feature here, moving into western areas of Scotland and Ireland, bringing some outbreaks of rain and showers here by the time we get to Friday morning. But as you can see, as Friday progresses right through the afternoon and on into Friday evening, yes, there may well be some rain and showers across western areas of Scotland and across parts of Ireland, but the bulk of England and Wales, up into southern Scotland and eastern Scotland, fine, dry and settled, with another decent day on Friday afternoon with bright or sunny spells and winds generally light or variable, if not light, south or southwesterly. And overall, as we progress through into the course of the weekend, as I indicated, high pressure influences the weather, and as a result little in the way of any significant weather. A weather front may well continue to influence more northern and northwestern areas of Scotland and perhaps northwestern areas of Ireland, but as I indicate, even by the time we get to Sunday the 11th, by the end of the day, there is still a lot of fine and dry weather across the UK as high pressure influences. So clearly another quiet and settled spell of weather is on the way. So thanks for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your day.